Top 5 Best Coffee Maker. Number 1. Mr. Coffee 12 Cup Coffee Maker. Model name, 12 Cup Coffee. Material, plastic. Brand, Mr. Coffee. Color, black. Capacity, 12 cups. About this item. On/off indicator light lets you know when your coffee maker is on or off. Grab a cup auto pause stop cycle if you need a cup before brewing is finished. Dual water window allows visibility as you fill, no more overflows. Lift and clean filter basket for fast and easy cleanup. Easy cord storage eliminates counter clutter. Watts, 900. Cord length, 26 inches. Height, 12.56 inches. Width, 11.76 inches. Depth, 8.43 inches. Weight, 3.6 pounds. Number 2. Keurig K-Slim Coffee Maker, single-serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Brewer, 8 to 12 ounces. Brew sizes, black. Model name, Coffee Maker. Brand, Keurig. Color, K-Slim. Capacity, 3 cups. About this item. Fits anywhere. Less than 5 wide, fits neatly on your countertop. Multiple cup water reservoir. Removable 46-ounce reservoir lets you brew up to 4 cups before refilling. 8 ounces cup size. 3 cup sizes. Brew in 8, 10, or 12-ounce cup at the push of a button. Fast and fresh brewed. Delicious coffee made in minutes. Travel mug friendly. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.0 tall and holds a full accidental brew for easy cleanup. Energy efficient. Auto off feature turns off your coffee maker 5 minutes after the last brew, helping to save energy. Compatible with the My K-Cup Universal Coffee Filter. Brew your own ground coffee. Sold separately. Product information. Package dimensions, 18.5 by 15.2 by 7.5 inches. Item weight, 9.37 pounds. Manufacturer, Keurig. Item model number, K-Slim. Number 3. Cuisinart DCC 3200P1 Perfect Temp Coffee Maker, 14 cup programmable with glass carafe, stainless steel. Model name, DCC 3200P1 Perfect Temp Coffee Maker, 14 cup programmable with glass carafe. Material, plastic. Brand, Cuisinart. Color, stainless steel. Capacity, 10,000 milliliters. About this item. State-of-the-art technology to ensure hotter coffee without sacrificing flavor or quality. Brew strength control allows you to select regular or bold coffee flavor. Fully automatic with 24-hour programmability, self-clean, 1/4 cup setting and auto shut off 0.0-4 hours. Adjustable keep warm temperature control. Gold tone, commercial style permanent filter. MC cubic feet, 2.32. Product dimensions, 7.75 by 9 by 14 inches. Item weight, 8.75 pounds. Manufacturer, Cuisinart. Item model number, DCC 3200P1. Number 4. Ninja CE 251 Programmable Brewer, with 12 cup glass carafe, black, and stainless steel finish. Style, stainless steel. Model name, programmable. Material, plastic. Brand Ninja. Color, black and stainless steel finish. Capacity: 12 cups. About this item. Classic or rich, Each brew is flavorful and never bitter with custom brew strengths. Hotter brewing technology. Advanced boiler for a perfectly hot cup of coffee. Wake up to hot coffee. 24-hour programmable delay brew allows you to prepare your brew up to a day in advance. Keep coffee fresh and flavorful up to 4 hours with the adjustable warming plate. Conveniently carry the 60-ounce removable water reservoir to your sink for easy filling. Number 5. Mr. Coffee Simple Brew Coffee Maker Vertical Bar 4-cup coffee machine Vertical bar drip coffee maker, black. About product. On, off indicator light lets you know when your coffee maker is on or off. Grab a cup auto pause stop cycle if you need a cup. 1 cup equals 5 ounces before brewing is finished. Dual water window allows visibility as you fill, no more overflows. Removable filter basket for quick and easy cleanup. Stain resistant warming plate is easy to clean. Product information. Watts, 650. Size, medium. Color, black. Product dimensions, 10.1 by 7.25 by 11.8 inches. Item weight, 7 ounces. Manufacturer, Mr. Coffee. Item model number, DR5RB.